Imagine signing a contract, feeling confident about its terms, only to find yourself in a legal dispute over a breach. How do you know if you can terminate the contract or just claim damages? The answer lies in understanding innominate terms in contract law. Contracts are built on promises, which are categorized into three types of terms: conditions, warranties, and innominate terms. Each of these carries different consequences when breached, impacting the remedies available to the aggrieved party. Let's start with conditions. These are fundamental promises that go to the heart of the contract. If a condition is breached, the innocent party has the right to terminate the contract and sue for damages. For example, in a contract to repair a microwave, a condition might specify the use of a particular brand of parts. If the repairer uses different parts, the customer could terminate the contract and seek damages. On the other hand, warranties are less critical terms. A breach of warranty only allows the innocent party to claim damages, not terminate the contract. In commercial agreements, warranties often cover non-crucial aspects like maintenance schedules or delivery methods. Courts distinguish warranties by their relatively minor impact on the contract's overall value. Now, let's delve into innominate terms, which occupy the middle ground between conditions and warranties. These terms are not explicitly categorized and require case-by-case analysis when breached. The consequences of breaching an innominate term can vary widely, from minor to significant impacts on the contract. When an innominate term is breached, courts or arbitrators must decide whether the breach is serious enough to allow contract termination. They consider factors such as the amount of damages caused, time lost, value of the action to the innocent party, and the cost to remedy the situation. They also look at whether the breaching party made efforts to fix the issue, and if there's a likelihood of future breaches. The concept of innominate terms emerged from the need to address ambiguities in contracts where terms didn't clearly fit as conditions or warranties. A landmark case, Hong Kong Fur Shipping v. Kawasaki Kisen Kaisha Ltd., introduced this concept to reflect the complexities of modern contracts. Courts apply specific tests to determine the severity of a breach of an innominate term. They assess whether the breach deprives the injured party of substantial benefits expected from the contract. This could include loss of time, financial value, or critical contract objectives. Understanding innominate terms is crucial in business contracts as they provide flexibility in addressing unforeseen breaches. They allow courts to balance fairness for both parties based on the specific circumstances of each case. In conclusion, innominate terms represent a nuanced approach to contract law, reflecting the complex nature of modern business agreements. By understanding the distinctions between conditions, warranties, and innominate terms, parties can better navigate potential disputes and protect their interests in contractual relationships.